I'ma let them finish what they're doing outside right now. Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
So for today's video, I would just like to firstly start off by saying thank you to Divatress for sending me this wig. They sent over Sensationnel Butta Lace Ocean Wave 30 for me to review for you guys. So if you guys are interested in this wig review, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. So if you want to hear a full review and see me install this wig, keep on watching.
This is how the hair came packaged. And this is how the hair came straight out of the package. I absolutely love the color. This wig features combs, adjustable straps, and 5 inches width of parting space. And lastly, this is the stock card that came attached to the wig.
I know they hating on me, but I don't be coming. Whenever I tell her to come, she come. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. We gon' fuck around town. Off this way, doing other shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. We gon' fuck around town. Off this way, doing other shows.
Okay guys, and this is the finished look. This is the hair right here. I am absolutely loving the way that this wig looks right now. It is absolutely gorgeous. So this is the Sensationnel Butta Lace in Ocean Wave 30 Balayage Mocha. It is so pretty. Oh my god, I love this. This might be like one of my favorite colors that I've gotten. Like, I love this color. I love the body wave of this wig. It is super cute. Definitely right up my alley. Definitely something I would wear on a daily. This is Sensationnel Butta Lace Human Hair and Premium Fiber Blends from the What Lace Makers. So this is the stock card right here. I don't think I have the same color as Miss Mama's right here, but this also looks really pretty. So this hair features human hair and premium fiber blends, full body movement, which is very true, honey, very true. Virtually undetectable HD lace, blends with most skin tones, ear-to-ear lace with wide 5-inch deep hand-tied part area, pre-plucked with baby hair along the hairline, natural and full maximum density. So the colors available for this style are balayage caramel, balayage chocolate, balayage gold, balayage hazelnut, balayage mocha, which I have, T4 ash blonde, T4 chestnut blonde, and T4 wine. Absolutely loving this unit right now. Let me tell you the pros and cons for this unit. For the cons, I would say that it tangled just a little bit when I was installing it, and I had to like brush it out, and it gave me a couple snags. But that is to be expected because this hair is 30 inches. Because this hair is very long, it's not short hair, so I do expect it to tangle every now and then. Also, you guys can sort of kind of see it just a little bit, like right here. Hold on, let me try and fix that. Whoever was plucking the part might have just plucked a little bit too much for my liking. Like, it looks like I got a little bald spot like right here. I'm gonna do a black one. Let's see if that covers that even more. Yeah, see, the black eyeshadow just... So yeah, all you really have to do is add like a dark brown or black eyeshadow, and that fixes that really fast. But if whoever was plucking this wig or whatever, or like whoever was making the wig, they just didn't add enough hair right here, or they just plucked a little bit too much, because I didn't really pluck anything on this wig at all. I left it the way it is, and I actually really like the way that it came out. That takes me into my pros, right? Obviously. So for my pros, obviously it does come with this very nice natural looking hairline, which I absolutely love. It did come with the baby hairs, you know, and I love a little baby hair situation because I think it's so cute. It is ear to ear, and it did cover my full hairline, which I absolutely appreciate. It is a little snug on my head, like it's not too tight or anything, but it might not be the best for anybody who has a larger head. So just take that into consideration if you are considering buying this wig. Another thing that I love about this wig is the color. So I've been watching a lot of Sensational hair reviews, and let me tell you guys, Sensational be out here with the colors, okay? Sensational be out here giving y'all these colors, and I'm so happy because I think this color is giving, okay? I think the color is giving. I absolutely love it. I love the body waves. I just really love this hair, like a lot. It's just, it really just feels like something I would naturally pick. I mean, granted, I did pick this hair out, but it's definitely something I would go for on a regular, like, and it feels really soft. There is human hair in here as well, so that's why it feels really soft. So once again, I would like to say thank you to Divatress for sending me this wig. I will leave this hair's information along with Divatress's website down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up to let YouTube know that you like this video, and leave a comment down below to let me know that you like this video so I can keep making more videos like this for you. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a